Hi guys, my name is Joe Gomez, and if you find yourself in a situation where you need to sell your home for cash, as is, in as little as 7 days, give me a call. My number is 916-599-5678. I'm looking for homes in the Sacramento area going all the way up to Auburn and over to Grass Valley, Nevada City, El Dorado Hills, Folsom, South Sacramento, North Sacramento. If you're in a situation where you need to get cash quickly, then I have a group of investors who are willing to pay cash. Now, if this doesn't pertain to you, you can also feel free to share this with family or friends, or maybe you're just driving through your neighborhood and you see a house that is getting into a rundown condition. Maybe the grass is starting to grow higher than your waist. Give me a call. If you don't know who the owner is, we have a way of finding out who the owners are. Maybe they're in a similar situation. Maybe they just need to sell the home for cash and don't know the best way of going about that. So give me a call, 916-599-5678. Thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day.